Now chat. Yo, YouTube, if y'all don't know already, man, it's your boy Jaden Hollywood, and we back with another video. Today we got J-Hope. Now look, I'm very excited for this reaction right here, because number one, I'm from New York. And if you're from New York, you know, chicken noodle soup, with a soda on the side. You know what I'm saying? And I heard that J-Hope gave her $3 million to make this song. So listen, I'm from New York. Know what I mean? We shake our shoulders and we get jiggy to shit. Like, we get jiggy to this right here. So we about to see right here, like, J-Hope featuring Becky G. Listen, I'm from New York, so I hope this is a banger just like the original. But yeah, chat, if y'all don't know already, man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Hold on. Whoa. They doing a dance. But chat, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. We're on the road to 3,000 subs. It would help me a lot, and I would appreciate if y'all like, comment, subscribe for your boy, man. I drop every day. 3 videos every day, or whatever y'all want to see I'm reacting to. But listen, let me not hold y'all up. Let's get straight to this video. I'm excited. Oh, they hit it. Yeah, so look at noodle soup with a soda on the side. Oh, look at noodle soup.
Let it rain. I let it rain.
Oh, this is really like the song.
I let it rain. I clear it out. I let it rain.
Oh.
I clear it out.
I like chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Oh. Whoa, this is different.
Chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.
From Gwangju 한 것이기 again.
Oh, you rapping on here. Oh, what okay, J-Hope. Oh, Dawn, I thought it was just some dancing. You actually talking. Am I fault, brother? Chicken noodle soup.
From Gwangju 한 것이기 again.
Oh. Yeah. Brother, okay. Hey. Talk to me.
Popping, rocking, hopping, ducking, flashing, swagging.
J-Hope, you climbing up the rankings, my boy. Time out.
Popping, rocking, hopping, ducking, flashing,
flashing.
하지만 일같이 한시 바삐 하지 난 위헌일 나를 채찍해 당근은 트로피의 인생의 배틀에 좋은 나의 curse. Oh, on the street 이제 나만의 길 with Becky G on the side every day I live.
Oh, that's Becky G. That's the girl from Empire. That's the girl that was dating Hakeem. I know you, Becky G. You came out here looking like a rainbow. I ain't gonna lie, mate. I hope I'm the leprechaun at the end of it. Oh, she can sing, man. Whoa. I'll do it. Hey. Oh, this is the first song I seen with 3 different languages. Shout out to that. Holy shit, this nigga came on here speaking Korean, and she came on here swaggy speaking Spanish. Y'all do saben, nah, man.
Chicken noodle, pollo con espagueti. Ninguna de estas mujeres tiene flow que tiene Becky. Pollo con espagueti. Ninguna de estas mujeres tiene flow que tiene Becky. Latinoamericana soy de aquí. Carita de santa pero friki. ¿Quién me va a decir? Si ya todo lo vi. Donde yo nací, no pensaba que una mujer iba a sobresalir.
Go J-Hope.
What you gonna do? 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 What you gonna do?
I'ma come. You asking me what I'm gonna do? Don't let me catch you. What am I gonna do? I'm gonna get on one knee for you, shorty. In front of everybody. I don't give a damn. I'll wear an adult diaper for you, girl. I would lick every crevice of your feet. You can walk through mud. You can walk in horse doodle. Now I'll come there and lick your toes. That's how good you look.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Look back at it.
I'm looking back. I'm looking. Oh, sexy
Reaction definitivamente la mejor de la escena. Word on the street, we got the people reacting. La gente que critica simplemente me da pena.
She can rap.
We always got love.
Hold on.
Pena.
This is a good screenshot right here. I should put this for the thumbnail, huh? Hold on, look. That's gonna be the thumbnail. What time is this video? Time out. What time is it? 6 minutes. Bet I'm going to 6 minutes in this video, and that's the thumbnail. Gangster. Hold on.
We always got love for where we come from, so let them know.
Let them know.
No matter wherever we go, bring it back to this place called home.
Oh, she talking.
Let me see you.
Chicken. Oh, shoot. Where all these people spawn from? Are they in New York? Hey, clear it out. I let it rain. I clear it out. I let it rain. They got anyone with the look. Now let's get it. 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 I let it rain. I clear it out. Hey, hey, with the chicken noodle soup. Hey, come on. Chicken noodle soup. Hey, hey, whoa. What the fuck?
Chicken noodle soup.
Yeah, my boy came back with dreadlocks. Becky G already looking good. Oh, that's a hard transition. My boy got dreads though. Soda on the side. Hey. Oh, he getting too. Hold on, he's getting a little too sturdy. Hold the fuck on. How you dance like that? That's what I said. That's like the Mary J. Blige.
Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. And bring it out.
I never heard this before. Yeah, get jiggy. Get jiggy. Yeah, get jiggy. Get jiggy. Hey! Now he's from New York. The man that's about to, he from New York.
And bring it
Hey.
out.
He from New York.
Just bring it
Hey, yo. Hey, yo.
I clear it out. Let's get it.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey, yay. What y'all know about this? Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, this was a good, listen, if this is what you call a remake, this was good. I'm surprised I never heard of this though, chat. Shout out to you, J-Hope. What the fuck? I ain't gonna lie, I'm surprised I did not hear about this. Me being from New York, this is all you hear outside. And I'm Lexington. Let's go. Like, yo, like, that's all we hear outside. Like, we be getting sturdy, jiggy. And if, yo, nah, J-Hope. I like you, my boy. I like you. You know what? You climbing up the rankings. Damn, I don't know who my favorite rapper in BTS is now. But Becky G, listen, Becky G. After this video, I'm gonna go to sleep and dream about you every night until you pop up into my reality. Yes, I will. This girl, I need you. If Hakeem could listen, look, I look better than Hakeem. Hakeem can't mess with me. I can out rap Hakeem. You know what I'm saying? Right? You might as well come to the good side, Becky G. You know what I mean? Come to the side where the winners is at. You know what I mean? I don't got as much money as you. You know what I'm saying? Like you know what I'm saying? I can make you laugh and giggle. You know what they say? And you can make them laugh and giggle. You can make that ass clap and jiggle. You know what I mean? But listen, if you don't already, man, it's your boy Jaden Hollywood. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Drop a like, drop a sub, and please comment down below how you feel about this video. I take all feedback. You can violate, you can send love, you can send hate, whatever. I'm responding to anything. I mean, I love responding to comments. I'm starting to say I love responding to comments. Y'all be making my day down there. But chat, I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Make sure y'all comment down below what y'all want me to watch too. And I'll see y'all, man. I love y'all. From me to y'all. Peace and love. Keep grinding and shoot. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side.